Wow, my new basango camera came from Amazon. Now, let me see here. What goodies he got packed in here? Yes. A USB cord is great and wonderful. Of course, this will only fit the camera. A battery charger. Yeah. That's the guide and the packaging content here. Yes, it's a good full one you can plug into. Yes, that's the full battery charge here, which is great. I may have to start the batteries up here, who knows? The camera itself and a bunch of literature. I didn't get the bag, but bam! I mean, that come a bag. Nice to come with a freaking carry bag, but they didn't bother give me that. Being seat bastard you are. You gotta, I'm still waiting for the stand to come for this. Not to be in the bag, it better be. Now, here's the literature with this. As you're wondering here. And this here, very important. I said scan these. It said, please read carefully before using this product. So troubleshooting, okay. YouTube, yes, I'll leave a review on YouTube. That's wonderful. Now, this is what you're gonna get here. I got this here, great. I like that. That's another reason I bought it too. It uses these lithium batteries, not lithium, but you bought the MP40s. These are pretty good batteries. Sony used the same batteries in theirs, and the basango camera, and the tripod will be coming with this tomorrow. Let me see how good this is. I've never used this before. This here is the camera by basango. Not that bad. Huh, not bad at all. Yep. Comes with this on top. Lens cap, of course. Typical camera. And you got this nice screen. And this here, I don't know. Not gonna... I had to read the manual here to find out, but this looked like, yeah. That's where the battery goes, but this, I think this is where your battery pack is gonna go in here. Yep, I'm gonna open this up here. Yeah, okay. Your SD card goes in here. Which I have one. A battery pack goes in here. Battery pack, SD card. What goes in here, I don't know yet. I hadn't really checked on this yet. Hadn't read all the paperwork yet with this. I'll see if I can't open this up. Might be. Yeah, so this is where I figure this one out. Okay. Okay, yeah, oh, got a plug for a microphone. HDMI cable, a microphone. That's good. Now I'm going to read all the manuals on this and everything else. This is the basango camera, and hope you like it. It's not looking too bad. It comes with that nice black bag. Oh, bummer. But I can use the box anyways. Vlog over.